In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay username ID in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're looking to rebrand yourself or simply want a fresh new identification, changing your username is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to ebay.com and log into your account. Ensure that you're using the correct login information associated with the account whose username you want to change. It's always good to verify that you're logged into the right one, as juggling multiple accounts can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. There should be an icon, or possibly your name or user avatar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section of eBay is where you'll find all of your personal and account management options bundled together for your convenience. Inside the Account Settings page, look for an option labeled Personal Information. Clicking on Personal Information will direct you to a new page dedicated to all the personal details associated with your profile. This includes your email address, password, contact information, and of course, your username. Once you're on the Personal Information page, you should see your current username displayed prominently alongside an option to Edit. Click the Edit button next to your username. This is your gateway to updating your username to something new. Now this part is crucial. When selecting a new username, consider that eBay doesn't allow usernames with spaces or special characters, and it must be between 6 to 64 characters long. Make sure the new name reflects you or your brand effectively. After typing in your desired new username, take a moment to double-check your entry to ensure everything looks just right. Once confirmed, click on Save, and there you have it. Your eBay username ID will be updated. If the username you've entered is already taken, the system will prompt you to choose a different one, so feel free to get creative but within eBay's guidelines. Changing your username can be an exciting step in breathing new life into your eBay presence, and it truly is just that easy. Remember though, that while you can update your username, eBay has limits on how often it can be changed, so be sure to select something you're happy with. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're ready to go make your update right now. Thanks for watching.